How to get $300 worth of coupons in Temu. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will talk about how we can get $300 worth of coupons in Temu. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to obtain the $300 worth of coupons on Temu, you can utilize a combination of verified promo codes, app exclusive bundles, and other special offers. In order to get the $300 Temu coupon codes, there are promo codes which are currently available and active, so you can search for that promo codes online and make sure to trust on a reliable source. There you will have the promo codes where you can apply the promo codes and get the offers on your purchase amount or on your order. You can also get the app exclusive coupon bundles. So in that case, you have to download the Temu application and unlock the additional savings. By downloading the Temu application, you can receive $100 off on your coupon bundle along with free shipping. Or a new user can also get $20 off on their first purchase through the application. So you can also get app exclusive coupon bundles. Or if you're a student, then it also offers the 30% discount. This discount can often combined with other promotions leading to significant saving. So these are some of the ways that will help you get $300 worth of coupon codes in Temu. But while applying for such offer, always check the expiration date in terms of each coupon code. Some coupons can be stacked, especially when you are using app exclusive deals along with promo code. So combine the offer wisely. And also, you have to use the coupon codes only from the reputable or the trusted sources. So in that case, you have to be aware. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.